So now we're up to question 17 here. So we can blank by combining like terms. So combinations here. We can clear parentheses by combining like terms. Like terms and clearing parentheses. Alright. For example, we have 5 open parentheses x plus 5x. Well, let's distribute the 5 and clear the parentheses. 5 times x gives us 5x, and then we have 5 times 5x gives us 25x. The next regrouping will give us 5x plus 25x. When we add the coefficients, we get a total of 30x. Ultimately, what we're saying is 5 open parentheses x plus 5x close parentheses equals 30x. Let's give you an example where we have a subtraction sign, right? And we have to input the number 1 because there is no coefficient. So here we have 2 open parentheses x plus 4 close parentheses minus, notice the minus. Then we're going to open another set of parentheses, 5x plus 3. Alright, let's start here, right? So, for instance, we want to combine like terms, right? So let's go ahead and start distributing this 2 to the first, and we're going to distribute this minus sign to the second pair of parentheses. Notice how there's this minus sign here, and we're going to replace this with a minus 1, and we're going to make that negative, or that subtraction sign, a positive, right? So let me show you exactly what we're doing. 2 times x plus 2 times 4. That's the final distribution of the 2 in the first pair of parentheses. Now let's distribute the negative 1 there. Negative 1 times 5x plus negative 1 times 3. Perfect. Notice how this subtraction sign in the middle of the first grouping has been changed to a positive. So let's go ahead and let's try to simplify. 2x plus 2 times 4, which that gives us 8, plus negative 5x, because negative 1 times 5x gives us a negative 5. And then we have negative 1 times 3 giving us a negative 3. Perfect. There we go. That's the next regrouping there. Now let's see if we can start combining like terms here. Let's start right. So we have 2x and then we have a negative 5x. Well, we can combine those like terms, giving us negative 3x. Alright. How about this 8 and this negative 3? Well, they're constant terms. They're also like terms. And when we group those up together, it'll give us a positive 5. So we're left with a total, an equation, an expression of negative 3x plus 5. Simple.